Have you noticed that your monstera suddenly starts producing new leaves during the rainy season? Mine certainly does. Every monsoon, it's like these tropical plants wake up after a long rest. New leaves unfurl, aerial roots grow rapidly, and the entire plants look healthier than ever. But while Monstera loves the rainy season, it's also the easiest time to overwater, encourage fungal disease, or make other care mistakes. In today's video, I'll share 7 simple tips that help my Monstera stay healthy throughout the monsoon. Let's get started. Tip 1. Why Monstera loves monsoon. Monstera is native to tropical rainforest, where humidity stays high throughout the year. During the Indian monsoon, our balconies and homes naturally become more humid. This higher humidity helps leaves unfurl more smoothly, reduces browning around the edges, and encouraging faster growth. If you have recently noticed new leaves appearing, don't worry, this is completely natural. Your plant is simply responding to the conditions it enjoys. Tip 2. Watering. One of the biggest mistakes people make during monsoon is watering on a fixed schedule. Even though Monstera loves moisture, the soil dries much more slowly during the rainy weather. Instead of watering every few days, always check the soil first. Insert your finger about 2 inches into the pot. If the soil still feels damp, wait another day or 2. Overwatering can quickly lead to yellow leaves, root rot, and fungal problems. Tip 3, that is light. Rainy weather means fewer hours of bright sunlight. Monstera still needs plenty of bright direct light to keep producing healthy leaves. If your balcony becomes darker during monsoon, simply move the plant a little closer to the brightest location without exposing it to the harsh afternoon sun. Proper light also helps prevent leggy growth. If you see my plant, it is actually I don't have any space to move it on, but I keep it on the above level, so at least but the green curtain that sun and light can percolate inside and it will get that sunlight, so it is quite happy. But I need to move these other plants to a brighter position because otherwise it will become very leggy. Now moving to the next point, that is fertilizer. Since Monstera actively grows during monsoon, this is actually one of the best times to feed it. I prefer using a balanced liquid fertilizer at half strength every 2 or 3 weeks. Organic options like vermicompost or diluted seaweed extracts also work very well. Avoid overfeeding because too much fertilizer can burn the root. If you're using moss sticks, that is actually very much essential. You can actually spray your fertilizer water in the moss stick, then root will grow much more strong. Now moving to the point number 5, that is actually about moss balls. If your monstera has started produce aerial roots, don't cut them. Obviously, these roots help the plant climb tree in nature. Give your monstera moss ball encourages larger leaf, stronger stem, and healthier growth. Keep the moss ball slightly moist so the aerial roots can attach naturally. Let's moving to the tip number 6, that is pest and fungus check. High humidity is useful for plants, but unfortunately, it also encourages pest and fungal disease. Every week, you need to inspect the front and back of each leaf. If you notice mealybugs, scales, insects, or spider mite, immediately remove them early before they spread. Good airflow is just as important as watering. If you have a little time, then just wipe your leaves with a rice water or plain water is also okay. Now moving to the tip number 7, that is cleaning leaves. which I am telling you, that is dust prevents leaves for absorbing enough light. Every couple of weeks you need to wipe these leaves using a soft damp clothes. If your time's not allows, then please just spray water on the leaves, because leaves needs to be cleaned. Clean leaves not only look beautiful but also photosynthesize more efficiently. It's one of the easiest ways to keep your monstera healthy. Now I'm giving you a bonus tip. One of my favorite moments is watching a brand new monstera leaf slowly unfurl. Never try to force this open. Let nature take its course. Within a few days, the leaf will harden and develop its beautiful mature color. Monsoon is one of the best seasons to enjoy monsteras. With the right balance of watering, light, humidity, feeding and support, you will be rewarded with beautiful healthy growth throughout the season. Which monstera do you grow? Deliciosa, Monstera Esqueleto or another variety? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give the thumbs up, subscribe to Green Thumbs Guide, and I'll see you in the next gardening video. Happy gardening! And also I'll show you my monstera collection. If you are confused about monstera and philodendrons, I have a very educational video. I'll keep a link in the description box, also in the I button. You can check that. Okay, bye till we meet again.